Welcome back, Excel Daily Dose Basic. Day 13, Count A. Myself Dayanand with Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Count A does what exactly needed? Count all. Count A stands for all, count all. So all items in the cell reference will be counted. Very similar to what count does, but count does only counts the numbers, the numerical items, but count A counts everything, including text, numerical, everything, right? But not the blank cells. Remember that. Let me show you how we going to achieve this. Count A, and I'm using cell reference. I have the same set of data as on the previous video, and now I have 7 items. If I show 4 plus 3, yeah, 7 items are there. Again, as I told you, this will not be counting the blank cells. If I refer the cells from until here, that is 6 to 15, it still shows 7 because this count A will not count blank cells. So carefully choose which count function that you need. Are you going to count only numerical or count everything? Use that. Beautiful. Thank you. That's it for today, day 13. Let's meet on the next video, day 14, where we learn how to count the blank cells. Right? Until then, take care, happy learning, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.